Little Miss, a 229 cow. She is pink, which I think is the most important part.
I love sailing! I love sailing!
Come on, US Coast Guard! We're on a sailboat! Don't leave us away!
Well, I think that it might be time for Stefan to go on a diet because he has sunk the canoe.
No, I just wanted a place to chill in the water without having to swim because it's so hot. And I thought if I sink the canoe in the water and I put the line out, I can just chill here.
Oh my gosh. This is not the... Something stinks, is that you? This is not the proper use of a canoe, I'm pretty sure. You can ask any self-respecting American Indian.
This is so much better than rowing at. I am very comfortable right here. Nobody can yell at me, ask me to do anything. And I'm submerged in water and there's no sharks that can bite me.
You guys should
just a win.
Catch some catfish and throw them in there so Stefan Key isn't lonely.
No. Slime. The question is, how are we going to get it out of the water and bail the water out there?
It's a beautiful day out in Florida on this hot summer day, and the wind has showed up, so we're going to go for a sail.
I love sailing!
You're so cute! You love sailing?
Yeah. I love sailing.
You do?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go see. We're going to take you on a beautiful sail out of the beautiful Peanut Island and the inlet in West Palm Beach.
On the one and only pink
sailboat.
229 cow.
She's done and she's ready. We're going to go out on the head sail. This captain is going to take her out and we will take your orders. And so will you.
Hey you guys, I am the captain on board Little Miss, a 229 cow. She is pink, which I think is the most important part. We have two non-self-tailing winches on this boat with 150% Genoa up front, which makes it a little bit hard to handle, but she's fast. Today we're gonna practice furling the sail so that we can reef nicely. The wind picks up in the afternoon here and sometimes it's a little more than we bargained for. So we've got Stefan and Cyril on the boat for a little extra muscle, and we're gonna see where we're gonna lay out a second winch or possibly new self-tailing winches so that I can single hand with the kids in these stiff winds. So let's go see how that works out. We are going out of the West Palm entrance today on an outgoing tide, so that will be nice for us with our 9.9 Johnson. We have an autopilot, which we have named Javier, we will not be using today, and our windlass, Stefan. So Stefan, you're gonna pull the anchor up, and Cyril, you're gonna sit there and look pretty because that's what you're good at. So last week we were borrowing someone's mooring ball here, and they came back and they said, hey, can you guys be off the mooring by noon? I said, no problem. 11:45 rolls around and I said, Stefan, why don't you help me pick an anchorage? We come over, we start to let go of the mooring ball, and what we didn't do is we didn't let the outboard run and warm up for a few minutes, and it failed on us. She went completely flat and we started floating into about a $6 million yacht. I am dying because I only have $1 million of insurance. So I'm sweating bullets. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna start the Johnson and we're gonna let it run and purr and be happy for a little while and warm up so that we don't float into one of these kind homeless people's boats. That's us.
You're gonna help me. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put the anchor line down into the anchor locker, okay? Okay, and as soon as the anchor is up, we're gonna move back. Make sure that you hold on to the boat everywhere so we don't fall in the water, okay? You have your life jacket?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, you can start going forward. The anchor line's there. Okay, put that in. so we just got out of the inlet, and then there was a security on 16 saying that there's weather approaching. I was seeing that dark clouds there, and they said all vessels to please come back in. So we're just going to sail back in. That was a very nice 7-minute sail. Thank you though to the Coast Guard. It's really, really nice to know that they're looking after us. So rather listen than go hurt yourself.
And then the sails will go with the other side.
Into the storm. Okay, let's go dive it and see if it's a good mooring ball. Looks like there's 3 anchors. It's spidering 3 anchors, but the anchors are so deep in the sand you can't even see the anchors. That thing goes to 3 anchors. 1 there, 1 there, and 1 about there. Good morning, it's just you and I that's awake this morning. I'm on Moonlight and Little Miss is just off our starboard stern. I'm gonna make some coffee and then I'm gonna take it over to Aubrey. Babalas! Okay, Moonlight this morning and I have the coffee for the beautiful Aubrey.
Sissy, stuff on chair.
Good morning.
Good morning, baby.
Is lekker koffie vir jou.
Dankie, my lief.
Heb je lekker geslapen?
Ja.
Hallo, Popo. Oh, Dougie.
He's mine.
And Uni.
Mine. They're both mine. And Stephen T tries to think that Doug's his, but it's mine.
Doug's mine.
No, he's not. I had him since I was born.
Since you were born? I had him since you were born.
What?
This is how the men eat on Moonlight. And that is not for Gary.
No, it's breakfast champions. Cowboy bread. Baked beans and bully beef.
You wonder how we get so strong, eh?
It's a beautiful morning and the 2 boats are together. Beautiful, most beautiful probably 29-foot cow that you'll see ever in the world. I think it's also the most refitted 29-foot boat. And then these guys are jumping off. Jump in, Bianca. Go, go, go. So that's the morning ritual. Swimming, working, and we're gonna go edit some videos for you guys and maybe go for a nice sail. Aubrey is talking to somebody in South Africa called Lindsay. He's a new friend of ours that is helping us with the website, and everything's rosy and peachy.